What is up, guys? We are back with a trade breakdown on ETH. All right, this time we're pushing crypto. All right, let me show you this amazing trade. Well, this was the first entry over here, which, to be honest, was the best entry if we held it all the way up to this zone over here. Um, Unfortunately, I closed it a bit early. It was about 1.5 risk reward. An early close. Sometimes it happens, and then we got our second entry over here, and we are still actually in this long, and I hedged the long with a short over here, and basically we're still holding. I'm gonna be holding this to this major zone all the way up, and it's gonna be a great one. So let's break down this trade. All right. So we've had this massive consolidation area. All right. We had this zone over here, and basically we had a breakout outside of the zone, right? I have actually, well, I'm not gonna delete the OTA. I think it's gonna turn out to be very beautiful. So this is the old basically zone. This is the zone where we're in, broke out, came down to retest this over here, this previous high on the lower time frame. Go to the 30-minute. I'm overall bullish on ETH, all right? The fundamental has to align with your trade. So I was overall very bullish on ETH because Bitcoin's at an all-time high and ETH is lagging, all right? So I knew that ETH should be worth much more, all right, based on years and years of price action. So my overall idea for ETH is very bullish, and the network was getting a lot more active because NFT season was coming up, and with NFTs, everyone's basically going to be on ETH, all right? Everyone's going to be using ETH on NF during like NFT season. So this was the break, this was the retest of the level course, if we use fibs, we will get some real nice confluence. Maybe if you use some trend lines over here as well, you can see there's some really nice confluence on this area. And over here on the hourly, all the MAs are bullish. We had a cross over here, which is an extra confirmation. And we also have some kind of a double bottom forming after the entry, all right? So once price broke this level over here, basically I set my stop loss to break even, and basically I just ride this thing, and I'll keep riding it all the way up to at least this area, 3.734. Next zone, the next major zone is going to be 3,900, 4,075, 4,105, then 4,225. All right, these are the next major zones for ETH to watch out for. But this was the trade. I was waiting for a breakout from this box after this massive sell-off. All right, this actually reminds me of the bottom of ETH in I think it was, yeah, I think it was over here. No, not even here. It was over here. Look at this. This was very similar. A candle close, boom, consolidation, a break above. So it was something similar over here as well. Wick, consolidation, and starts trending higher. So it was kind of similar over here, a wick and some kind of consolidation, then a break higher. So it's just a very nice pattern repeating again and again. And we identified it. We had a perfect entry on the setup. We're still riding this thing. Already up 11 to 1 R. Right now it's at 10 and a half. It's doing very well. So if you're risking $1,000 on this trade, you'd be up 10,500. I think it's a great trade. And yeah, if you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section. You can send me a DM on Telegram if you want to, if you have any questions, and I'll see you guys on the next one.